In the year 2025, a new frontier of cyber warfare has emerged. No longer are hackers bound by human speed or skill. Today, machines themselves are the attackers. Artificial intelligence has transformed the battlefield, unleashing cyberattacks that are faster, smarter, and more deceptive than anything the world has ever faced. At the heart of this shift lies automation at scale. AI systems can launch tens of thousands of probes every second, scanning networks for weaknesses with relentless precision. Unlike human hackers, these systems never tire, never pause, and never stop learning. Even the most fortified defenses struggle to withstand this constant barrage. But speed is only part of the story. AI has weaponized deception. Deepfake technology now allows attackers to clone voices, mimic executives, and craft emails so convincing they bypass suspicion entirely. In 2025, corporations reported multi-million-dollar losses after synthetic audio tricked employees into authorizing fraudulent transactions. Trust itself has become a target. Meanwhile, malware has evolved into something far more sinister. Adaptive malware powered by AI doesn't just follow instructions, it learns. It studies defensive responses, adjusts its behavior, and blends seamlessly into normal activity until the perfect moment to strike. Each encounter makes it stronger, more elusive, more dangerous. And the targets have shifted. No longer confined to banks or tech firms, attackers now infiltrate industrial sectors, energy grids, factories, transportation systems. In Turkey and India, AI-driven attacks disrupted production lines, exposing vulnerabilities in critical supply chains. Cyber warfare is no longer abstract. It is physical. It is economic. It is global. Nation-states have taken notice. Groups like Typhoon and operator Panda, linked to China, used AI to infiltrate telecom firms and government agencies. In the United States, hackers exploited a flaw in SharePoint to breach the Treasury and even agencies tied to nuclear security. These are not isolated incidents. They are signals of a new geopolitical reality. The numbers are staggering. AI-powered attacks surged 72% compared to last year. 87% of organizations reported incidents. 85% faced deepfake deception. The average cost of a breach climbed to nearly $5 million. And experts warn global cybercrime could reach $24 trillion by 2027. Defenders are fighting back with AI of their own. Machine learning systems now scan for anomalies, predict attack patterns, and respond in real time. Yet this has created an arms race, an AI versus AI battlefield, where machines duel in cyberspace, escalating the conflict with every passing day. Beyond the technical war lies a deeper crisis. Deepfakes erode trust in communication. Governments expand surveillance powers, risking civil liberties. Smaller businesses fall behind, unable to defend themselves against machine-led intrusions. The digital divide grows wider, and the stakes grow higher. AI-powered cyberattacks are not just a technological threat. They are a societal reckoning. They challenge our security, our privacy, our economies, and our very sense of truth. In 2025, the machines are no longer tools. They are combatants. And the war they wage has only just begun.